Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a Nerf gun showcase. First I'll be showing you the Long Strike CS6, which is this, with a barrel that holds, how much does this thing hold? A lot. It holds a lot. See what it looks like. It's the barrel on. Wait a sec. Why the heck? Oh, I'm doing it backwards. Oh, I'm going to put a bullet in it so I can... Oh, this gun is very...
Let's eat.
Dad, I'm making a YouTube video.
Right now?
Yes.
Right this second?
Yes.
Well, come on, we have to eat breakfast and go to school.
Okay, this gun is a different. This gun is I can't read this. It's like Asian. And I lost all the mega bullets for this, but it's pretty cool. I put a scope on it. And it already really has a scope right here. Okay. That's that gun. Then this really isn't Nerf, but I'll show you how it shoots. This ain't Nerf, but shoots pretty fast. And I'll get my next gun. Well, this gun, a lot of people like it, but it's broken, so. We have this gun. Actually, we have two of them. Or three. Then we have this one of my favorite ones. It's the type. Then we got this one, it sucks at shooting. Then we have this one.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Coming. Then we have this one. Comes with a Halloween costume. It's not that good. But can I have friends over?
Sure.
Like on Monday? Tuesday?
We'll see.
Okay. Someday I'm going to post a YouTube video. Well, I'm going to post a Nerf lure on YouTube. I'm going to be using this. Well, I might be using this one. Or I'll be using this one. But I like this one.
Couldn't quite figure out.
That's the end of this video.